My name is Gracie Henderson, and I'm the owner-operator of Reber Rock Farm. We are a pasture-based, organically certified meat producers, and we have a 5A New York State certified poultry slaughter facility on the property, as well as a custom exempt facility that does large animals for community members. We're standing in front of our compost pile that is primarily coming from large animal slaughter.
Carbon base down, then the animals go, the animal parts and pieces go down, and then we cover everything with more carbon so that animals are not attracted to the piles and don't dig in. Having it shaped in a windrow, a natural pile like this, is really important because it allows for the airflow around all the animal parts.
We have one recipe primarily because that's what we can get access to. So behind you we have the wood chips right there. So that goes on the base, and then we have a lot of Amish sawmills. So both of those, we seek the cheapest and closest means of carbon.
Do we do anything like smaller animals like that, goats and other things?
There's goats and sheep, cows, pigs, goats, cows, sheep, chickens, turkeys in this pile.
Okay, wow.
For us, the biggest challenge has been the labor, the timing of the tractor operator, and the getting the pile to be the right shape and size so that the predator, the wildlife doesn't come and dig it up, and it composts as efficiently as possible. We'll see in the other pile where we have had a consistent operator who learned over 17 weeks how to make a pile. It looks much better. So then the chicken viscera comes in, which is guts, heads, feathers, and then sometimes the chicken carcass. And then on top of that, we put the wood shavings.
How thick when you make one layer of your material?
It ends up being about 6 to 7 bucket loads of material, everything combined, per week.
Right now outside is 70 Fahrenheit, and we can see the steam.
Yeah, though it's still hot, and actually we're even seeing the ashing.
Right.
So this is certain microbes that show up here. So weed seeds will be inactivated by the composting process. But what happens is you need to mow all around the site so that the weed seed doesn't blow
Wouldn't go in this,
Because this medium is like really good growing medium.
Right.
It becomes more problematic for a farmer that will be spreading it in the field because it's a really great growing medium.
Definitely.
For everything.
Yeah, so we talked about the covers for like moisture control and the other things. Would you think that's good for the weed control as well? Yes.
Yeah, they do help with weed control.
Okay.
Just gonna do
we did notice some problems with coyotes and animals digging in, so we started putting a little bit of the bigger wood chips on top as well to try to prevent that. And it seemed like it worked on the big pile, but then on this pile.
Would you think if we put more wood chips may help?
It might help. I think probably what'll help better is if we mow around here, and probably we could even fence it, put electric fencing around it.
Yeah.
I think we're concerned about putting too many of the wood chips in, just because we want a really fine product. We're not sure how long it'll take the wood chips to decompose.
That's amazing. I'm glad to learn it. Yeah, some experiences.